Hey guys, welcome back to the Well-Rounded Dude. My name is Chris. Today we are going to get my thoughts on Anson belt and buckle. If that sounds interesting, meet me right back here after the jump. So what is Anson belt? Why don't I just show you guys? So Anson belts are a micro adjustment technology belt. Features a ratchet system. So each track is 1/4 of an inch. So you get the perfect fit every single time. So when you need to take it off, pull that little lever, and you're done. So one of the things I love about Anson belt is it's fully adjustable. If this is your size and you can rock this all day long, great. If you go out to dinner, eat a little bit too much, you're like, oh, really got to release this belt. You can do that and still have the perfect, comfortable fit. Another thing I love about Anson belts is the versatility. So I rock the silver buckle and a black leather strap. Well, what if I don't want to go with that? What if I want the gray canvas? So all you got to do, flip the lever, pull out the strap, grab the strap you do want, slide it in, flip it back, you're good to go. So if I don't want this silver buckle on my belt, on this gray one, well, I want this one. Can I switch it out? Of course, it's easy. Just undo the latch, pull it off, grab the one you do want, flip back the latch, put it on. Again, good to go. They have a wide variety of straps too. Check it out. I mean, these are just the ones I picked out. You have a much bigger variety at ansonbelt.com. Same thing goes for the buckles, guys. You got a wide variety of buckles. Like, check out this black one. It's bomb, right? And they have a different design if you're not feeling that. This is more of your standard belt buckle design. Comes in silver, black, and gunmetal. And check out this one, guys. This is a personal favorite. Smoked gunmetal and onyx. How sexy is that? Check out this strap, guys. It's an oxblood colored strap. For those of you guys that rock oxblood colored shoes, a perfect match. I just love oxblood, it's so rich. Or this nice cognac colored one. I love it. Goes perfect with my New Republic sneakers. Or for a more casual event, this black canvas is pretty awesome. So Anson belts come in one size fits most. This strap right here is 50 inches. They do offer a XL size in select styles. So to measure, take your strap, wrap it around your waist, make sure that the track is on the inside. This is the side that you're going to be cutting. Flip it around, and you'll see how much has to go. So next, grab your trusty scissors, cut off where you measured. Now, guys, first thing you should do is don't take as much as you think. You can always cut more. You can never add more onto the belt. You don't want to cut this too short. So make sure you have got the right measurement. I've done this before. I'm a professional. Now we have a belt that fits. So we've just made the cut. Slide it in the buckle. First time is always the hardest time, guys. But as you can see, it's not that hard. And we're all set. So dudes, you may be asking yourself, why should you get an Anson belt? I'll tell you. This is my personal belt I've been wearing for 2 years. Now granted, there may be a few scuffs, but it's still intact. And I wear this almost every single day. This is a traditional belt. Belongs to a friend of mine. He does not wear this every day. And as you can see, it's worn. Look at the inside. It's coming apart. Okay, guys? That's no bueno. You don't want to have a belt like this. And unfortunately, myself included, we've all had to deal with crappy belts before. I mean, check out this one. See how far apart the holes are? And my friend is tiny, so he had to pop a hole in a belt. Look at the big space between what he bought in a store, what they provided him with, and what he had to make himself. With Anson, you don't need to do that. Nothing wrong with a fabric belt. I like the color in this one. But look at that. There's no end. So you just got to kind of tuck it, hope, and pray. It comes apart easily. That's not something you guys want to have if you're going out on a date and all of a sudden your belt pops off. So the cost. Well, 50 bucks for a complete belt. 25 just for the buckle, 25 for the strap. But the best deal Anson offers is their gift set. Under 100 bucks, you can either get 3 straps and 2 buckles, or 3 buckles and 2 straps. And with over 14,000 5-star reviews, 100% satisfaction guarantee, and a lifetime functionality guarantee, you guys cannot go wrong with Anson belt. I highly recommend them. So at this point, I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to David, the CEO of Anson Belts. I reached out to him and said, yo, I got this channel, The Well-Rounded Dude. I want to promote your product because I believe in it. I love it. He was like, thank you. He sent over some product because he believes in you guys too. He believes in the Well-Rounded Dude viewers, and I can't thank you enough for that, David. For you guys that don't know, Anson Belt is run by David and his father. They founded it in 2009 and have been going strong ever since. Customer service is their #1 priority. I can attest to that myself. Back before I even met David at the Menfluential Conference, I had some issues with some buckles. I sent him an email, talked to him about it, and he was like, we can get it taken care of. No fuss, no muss, no hassles. That's going to do it for this week's video, guys. Another huge shout out to Anson Belt and Buckle. Thank you guys so much. Please be sure to check them out at ansonbeltandbuckle.com. You'll see that right here. Also, too, check us out on social media. You can see that here as well. Drop me a thumbs up if you like this video. Tell me in the comments, what'd you think? Did I miss some points? Did you like it? Any comment is helpful. Also, check out our website, thewellroundeddude.com, and our merch page. Be sure to use the code DUDE10 to get 10% off your purchase. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.